So this is going to be the new chicken tractor. For all of these guys and future ones. Well, that escalated fast. I'm going to replace a bunch of the wood. Well, not a bunch, but I got some form material left over that I'll replace the plywood. And a 2x4 goes here. So this section will get a new piece of wood. This section will stay here for the ramp. And with it being built like this, I should be able to take my other chicken tractor that I used to drag around and sit it right on top. So I'll keep you updated. So now I should just be able to take some fencing and do a circle around it. And that's the new chicken tractor.